Group by clause. In this video, we will learn what is group by clause and how to use group by clause in select statement. So, what is group by clause? Group by clause is used to group rows that have the same values. The group by clause is used in the select statement. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions count, max, min, sum, average to group the result set by one or more columns. So let's see the syntax of group by clause. So here we have syntax of group by clause. Select, then columns name, from, table name, where, condition, then group by, and then columns name, and then order by, columns name. So where clause and order by is an optional part. Where clause and order by we will apply on the basis of requirement. So let's see how can we use group by in SQL Server. So let's open the query editor and select database. Now inside this we have one table sales order detail. So we will use this table for group by. So here select from sales order detail, and here we will write the columns name sales order ID, comma, sum, line total as subtotal, and then after this we will write group by sales order ID. Alright, so let's check the result of this query. Now select this and execute this. So here you will find this is the sales order ID, and this is the subtotal for every sales order ID. Alright, so this is how you can use group by. So if you want to apply filter for this query, we will use where clause. So let's copy this and here paste this, and after the name of the table we will use where clause. So always remember, if you want to use where clause in your group by statements, so before group by we will use where clause. So where line total is greater than 1000. Alright, so first it will fetch all the rows where the line total is 1000, and then it will apply sum on that on the basis of group by sales order ID. Now select this and execute this. Now here you can see the result, and if you want to apply order by you can apply that too. So order by and sales order ID. Alright, and here I am using descending. So the sequence will be first where clause, then group by, and then order by. Now select this and execute this. So here you can see your result has been fetched. So now we applied group by on a single table. If you want to apply group by on multiple table, that's also possible. Let's see how can we do that. So for that I'll copy the same query. Now here I'll use one alias for this table sales order detail, then join sales order header SOH, alright, on ord dot sales order ID equal to SOH dot sales order ID. Alright, now at the place of sales order ID I'll use SOH dot customer ID, and then sum of the line total as subtotal, and after that count SOH dot customer ID, alright, as total customer. Now we will group by on the basis of SOH customer ID and then order by this. So my query is select then SOH customer ID sum line total as subtotal count customer ID as total customer as total customers from sales.sales order detail. The alias is ORD join sales.sales order header SOH as an alias on ord.sales order ID equal to soh.sales order ID, where line total is greater than 1000 and group by soh.customer ID and then order by customer ID. So what we are doing over here in this query, so we are totaling line total and count of customer ID on group by customer ID. So now select this and execute this. So here you can see we have all these customer IDs and this is the subtotal and this is the total customers. Alright. So this is how you can use your group by with multiple tables. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is group by and how to use group by with select statement. Thank you.